In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix Trello that is not syncing between different devices. As you can see here, I'm inside the homepage of my Trello board, and the first thing that I want you to do is to refresh the whole page. Once you refresh this, it will be syncing every single detail or any content that is available on the second device or the main device. So another tip is to head to the profile icon here and then head to the settings. In this part, we have to head to another settings, which is the workspace. And here you just need to make sure that you are currently active or your status is active on your workspace. Another one is to the main settings of your personal settings. So just head down here on the sessions. Once you click the sessions, head to manage your recent devices. In this part, you will see all the available devices that is currently using your account and make sure that your device is currently logged into that account. And that's it. That's how you can fix Trello not syncing between devices. And thank you for listening.